Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I don't like it also if anybody calls me a playback singer. मैं बोल ही देती हूँ. The awards are just to encourage me. He's like my boyfriend. He's just boyfriend. I would do these things and then eventually, actually we are married. दिल का फितूर है या इश्क है सही में देखते तुझे.
Hello guys, this is Kajal Gupta from India Forums, and today we have with us the very talented and a national award winner singer Monali Thakur. So hi Monali, welcome to India Forums, and
Hi Kajal, thank you.
congratulations on your new song as well.
Thank you.
We talk about it further, but the one question that I really want to know is that did you always wanted to be a singer?
I think I was born as a musician because I was born in a musical family. Yes, I always wanted to be a musician. And yeah, but initially it was the dream to be a playback singer because that's what we were taught. That singer means playback singer. But I think that concept for me is gone because I do not want to be just a playback singer.
Yeah.
I want to be a musician and a singer songwriter. So yeah, that's why I'm doing the singles. Yeah, but I always wanted to be. I knew I would be a creative artist in one
Yeah.
way or the other.
How did you get your first gig? Do you remember?
My first gig. My first gig was very strange. Before I did anything, was in Kolkata. One person had heard me sing, and he came home and he wanted me to perform, and that's when he gave us and the first advance ever. That was before Indian Idol. Only one show I did. But otherwise, I used to go for the gigs that my father and my sister used to do in Kolkata, and yeah.
Yeah.
अगर वैसे देखा जाए, my first gig was in my school.
Yeah, yeah. But now you are here doing your own singles, and
Yeah.
Dilka Fitoor has already done great numbers. You know, it's beautifully sung. But
Thank you.
I love the music. But what's exciting is the location. Like, you know, it's the setting of the song is really beautiful. So when
Yeah.
did you shoot for this song?
I shot it the last winter in December, I think. That's when we shot. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा चाहती थी. This was a romantic song, and I wanted to capture the skiing side of Alps and the winter over here. क्योंकि हमने हमेशा देखा कि स्विट्जरलैंड हमारे यश चोपड़ा जी के फिल्म्स में और हमारे बिग ब्लॉकबस्टर मूवीज में हमारे all our gorgeous heroes and heroines
Yeah.
हमेशा वो शिफॉन साड़ी में they will have the
Huh.
summer captured, but we have never kind of seen the winter like that so much. At least कोई म्यूजिक वीडियो में तो नॉन फिल्म म्यूजिक वीडियो में तो नहीं देखा था.
Huh.
So I wanted to do that and tell a story, a simple but nice, heartwarming story. So yeah,
Yeah.
खुद के स्टोरी से थोड़ा सा उठा के मैंने डाल दिया.
Right. So you shot for it last year, but now it's released during the lockdown period. So was this a conscious decision to release it now?
No, no, we wanted to release it before. We were figuring out deals and we were finishing the post production of the song. And more than anything, we were trying to finish the song. जैसे हमारे ये गाने का जो ऑडियो ट्रैक है, उसके कौशिक एंड गुट्टू जिन्होंने कंपोज किया है, they worked on several versions of the track. So we wanted to get a fresh sound. So वो क्रैक होने के बाद we could sit on the edit of the video edit of the song and then rest of the post production. तो उसके बाद हम रिलीज करने वाले थे. बट फिर ये
Hmm.
लॉकडाउन आ गया और लॉकडाउन के बाद सब बंद हो गया. सो नोबडी इज बीइंग
Yeah.
एबल टू गो एनीवेयर. कोई काम ही नहीं हो पा रहा था. एंड
Hmm.
या बिकॉज जो लेबल्स के साथ भी हम बात करने वाले थे वो भी बंद हो चुके. नोबडी वाज बीइंग एबल टू वर्क. So then we decided to somehow any which way release it on our own. We did that.
Yeah. And now it's finally out. So
Yeah.
and the very exciting part of it is that your husband is featuring in the music video.
Yeah.
And and it is like a revelation. You've just broken the ice a few days ago. So
Yeah.
when was this that you decided that he will feature in your music video?
At the last moment. He was not supposed to feature in the video. It was a very good looking, handsome German model actor. जो मैं बहुत excited थी. Ooh, I get to romance another
Yeah.
guy other than my husband. But that didn't happen because हम लोग बहुत I remember Shiraz Bhattacharya is the DOP of the music video. So हम लोग डर गए थे because so we were a little concerned. not डर गए थे कि chemistry आएगा कि नहीं वो लड़के के साथ because we didn't have time to meet him before the shoot. Yeah, so it was such a last moment thing that I was at least panicking that okay, if the chemistry is not there, then the video will not work, because all we need is the boy and girl to have that innocent chemistry.
Yeah.
फिर मेरे टीम से अक्षय and even Shiraz, they all said, why aren't you taking a mic? और मैं भी सोची थी ऐसे ही होता है घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, वही वैसा ही हो गया. I didn't think of Mike, and Mike was working in his office, and then I suddenly was like, okay, Mike, come, you have to act in this music video. And Mike was like, what? Why? What is going on? I said, come, if you have to save this marriage, you have to come and act. And he couldn't say no, obviously. So he joined, and he did it. I think he was a very I thought that he would be very conscious. He was conscious sometimes, because जब भी वो कुछ romantic look उसके closes हम लेने की कोशिश, कोई भी romantic look दे, I would burst laughing. You know, because I'm like, really, you are this romantic? What happens in real life? So that's how he came on board, and I think it was good that he came on board.
Yeah. I think it was written to be, and it was meant to be, and the chemistry is bang on. Obviously, the chemistry is amazing. But now that you have let it out about the marriage, and now your industry fans know about it, so what are the reactions? Are they calling you up? What are the reactions you're getting?
So it looks like, मुझे लगा कि मैंने काफी लोगों से छुपा के रखा था, but I think I was so excited at that point of time and even later that somehow I just, and another thing is that it's very difficult for me to lie. Like it's very difficult. You know, कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जो झूठ बोलते तो ऐसे बोलते हैं कि समझ में ही आता कि गाया गधी, she's trying to lie, it's not happening. मेरे लिए वैसा ही था. So I would try. He's like my boyfriend. He's just boyfriend. I would do these things, and then eventually, actually, we are married. You know, so ऐसे मैंने काफी लोगों को बोल के रखा था, और उनको बोला था बोलना मत किसी को. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया. Eventually, now I realized that quite a few people knew, but many people didn't know also, and they've all been kind enough to not just. दोस्तों ने तो गालियां दी है, but उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा ऐसा बता भी नहीं सकती थी. what is this I was like, sorry about that, nobody knew. But industry में मैंने कुछ लोगों को बोल के रखा था, and the ones who didn't know, they are now messaging and saying that congratulations, so happy for you, this is quite a nice shock, but still a shock, and you know, all this WhatsApp is flooded with messages.
Right. I think it's lovely. So are you going to have like a celebration or an actual wedding with everybody?
Hopefully so, of course. But I think abhi to nahi possible, because right now the world is in a very strange situation, and I think we need to get our normal lives back, and then obviously we will, because we owe each other a nice happy celebration, and also to my friends, family. Because my mom, bichari, she was not there when I was doing the registration. She couldn't be. They were not well. But then we couldn't cancel it also, because we had taken the date and time. Only my sister from my family and my brother was there. Baki sab bahut hi kareebi dost the sab. Like, so it was quite a strange but fun bit. But I have to do it for my family and friends.
Yeah. So I think we look forward to that soon. But मनाली अभी हम बात करें professionally. So Bollywood में recently बहुत सारे remixes होते हैं of old songs. And these remix songs get a very mixed response from the audience. Like, the audience is not very happy with the remixes, and they don't want musicians to remake old songs. So what is your take on it?
अगर नहीं चाहते तो इतना व्यूज कहाँ से देते? सब खरीदे हुए व्यूज है क्या? I have no idea. Then how is it that they are making it easier for the labels to earn money through remixes instead of originals? So even it's audience's responsibility also, कि उनको जो feed किया जाए वही ना ले, मतलब, you know, because I'll tell you, it reflects a lot on the temperament of our country also, if they do not support original stuff. For example, like remix is not bad, but as we say, पानी भी अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पियो वो भी healthy नहीं रहता anymore. So nothing overdose of nothing is good.
Exactly.
That's the rule. And अभी overdose के भी ऊपर जा चुका है, I think, remixes. And एक country जहाँ पर इतने talented musicians and artists है, जहाँ पर हमारा music, you know how the music, the way we have our chord progressions and everything, it is so intense, and it is, sorry, एक call आ गया, हाँ. So in our country, our music, yeah, the whole thing, it's so rich, हमारे chords and the way our melodies work. ऐसे देश में अगर originals नहीं होंगे तो it's sad and disgraceful. So I think that's what I feel, and I do not like it when a beautiful song जो पहले बनाया गया था और इतने मेहनत से musicians ने बनाए थे, even if the musicians, my phone has gone bonkers. This is what is going on. There are 2,000 calls coming every single day. Anyway, so so in a country, are you serious? Sorry, somebody's there are 3 numbers that called me right now.
It's okay. It's okay. You can continue.
Yeah. So yeah, in a country like this, originals need to be there. And जो मैं बोली थी कि जो एक बहुत ही मेहनत से बनाया हुआ गाना जो musicians ने बनाया है, उसको लेके अगर आप recreate कर रहे हो, make sure that you do either better than that or do at least do as equally as good as that. Don't do a mediocre version of it, is what my problem is. And with show the respect to the ones who have actually originally created it. Even abroad, जब भी कोई legendary गाना बनाया जाता है, if you see, most of the versions are equally good as the previous version, musically as good.
Yeah.
So अभी कुछ भी अनशन just like a factory they make it, just हमारे musical industry को ना world map में बहुत नीचा कर देता है वो. We like, and especially as I said, in a country where it's so rich culturally, that shouldn't happen. And it's everybody's responsibility: producers, directors, music composers, artists, audience, everybody's responsibility. Yeah.
Right. So, Manali, for the longest time, the audience was listening to songs, and they loved the songs, they loved the voice. But abhi, because of music videos and single videos, now the audience also knows about musicians and the singers. But for the longest time, the audience was not aware of the making that goes behind a song or the challenges that a singer faces. So, I'm sure there are certain obstacles that are not talking about in a singer's journey. So, would you like to share, if any?
Obstacles, the innumerable ones. The first thing is that this term of playback singing has to be chucked out. Yeah, I have no idea what is playback singing. They can call us or musicians recording artists, but playback singing just doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm against that phrase. And I don't like it also if anybody calls me a playback singer. I mean, I'll be boli deti. It's I think it was a very I think it was a very wrong ecosystem, like a very unhealthy ecosystem of the industry, where musicians जो actually talent दिखा के गाना बनाते थे, उनको कोई feature ही नहीं, कुछ दिखा भी नहीं. It's just wrong. It's just abuse of whatever you call it. But I think it's changing now, thanks to social media and thanks to everything. It's changing, and that's where I'm excited. That's why I'm doing these singles, because I personally like the fact that how in the Western music culture and industries, artists वो sometimes खुद के life story narrate कर देते हैं या फिर कुछ experiences. That's exactly what I want to do. So that my music is authentic to them, and that should happen for every single musical artist or any kind of artist for that matter. So I think it's happening. धीरे से हो रहा है, लेकिन हो रहा है.
Yeah, it's definitely happening. The audience is also starting to enjoy more of original singles and music videos.
Absolutely. Which is, then I think the day we achieve that, it'll be perfect.
Yeah. Also, Manali, just last question, that you yourself are a national award winner and among many other awards. So, how much importance does awards or award functions matter in this business?
Oh, it's a very difficult question to answer. For me, honestly, awards are just to encourage me, and awards are good for your PR. Awards, as I said, like it makes you feel good and confident. Yeah. But besides that, awards हर साल होते हैं, हर साल नए winners होते हैं. So वो उधर तक ही. I have earlier said I don't take it that seriously. I think the most important thing is that you get accolades for good quality work. Like you're be authentic to your work. फिर गाना ही बता देगा कि the shelf life of the song and how much it has been liked, even after we are dead, is what will actually talk about the
Right.
rewards. Yeah.
Right. So, okay, Manali, we are not letting you go without you sing a few lines, of course. So, yeah.
Oh, I'll sing Dil Ka Fitur for you guys. Yeah.
Of course, of course.
Yeah. Da दिल का फितूर है या इश्क है सही में देखते तुझे लो तेरी हो गई मैं हुआ मशहूर है तू दिल की हर गली में ऐसा नूर है कि तेरी हो गई मैं अब दुनिया से जहां से है ना कोई वास्ता अब जिंदगी के हर पन्ने पे है ये दास्तां होने लगे हम आपके
That was
Thank you.
very, very
Thank
lovely,
you. Thank
Manali.
you.
Thank you for
Thank
joining
you.
us. It's been lovely and all the very best. We
Thank
hope the
you so
song
much.
is really amazing and we
Thank
look
you. And thank you
forward to
for the
more songs.
support and lots of love. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.